filmed a video recently about the ROQF level 6 occupation list, and I've received a lot of questions regarding the deadline for the visa application for those who are currently earning the present salary. Like we know that the UK government has increased the salary threshold for skilled worker visas. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing all of that with you and when to submit your application and how much you need to earn before the deadline to submit your application. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you in our beautiful family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. God bless you. And if you're new to this channel, I create content on UK immigration updates, live in the UK, scholarships in the UK, jobs with visa sponsorship in the UK, which I'm about to share one update now. So if you're someone who is interested, or you know anyone who may be interested in such content, please do like and also do share this video with them. And also do subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're going to be the very first person to see that video. So guys, without taking so much of your time, let's quickly dive right into today's video. I've received a couple of questions regarding the visa application for those who have just recently received their COS, because one of my viewers got back to me and said that the problem about the COS is that the employer did not use the new salary threshold the UK government have announced. Like we all know that the UK government has announced a new salary threshold that will take effect from the 22nd of July this month, which is not too far from now. So when she received that COS, she got back to me that she actually contacted the HR, and the HR was like, this is what it is right now, go and apply for your visa. But she just wanted to double check because she's worried. She doesn't want to be refused a UK visa for the first time. So now I'm filming this video basically because of that, and as well, people are still expecting their COS. And just to let you know that a COS is valid for 90 days. So even if you receive your COS, let's say today or maybe tomorrow, you need to expire in 3 months, which is why some people could have their COS and they haven't applied for their visa month 1, month 2, month 3. But what happens is once you're unable to use that COS to apply for your visa and it expires, you cannot use it again. Which is why I always advise my beautiful viewers that once you receive your COS and you're sure it's a genuine one, just rush and go and apply for your visa, because now two things could happen. You may receive your COS, let's say on the 20th of July with the recent salary threshold, and you keep the COS till after the 22nd of July and you want to apply for your visa. You will need the new salary threshold to be able to apply for a new visa, which is why I'm also filming this video. For those who have been asking, oh Fajira, what's going to happen? I met my employer and I told them that they have to update my COS to the new salary threshold so I don't get a UK visa refusal. Guys, the UK government has just passed this law and have said that this is going to be effective from the 22nd of July. I'm going to break that down in this video. So like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Now, what that means is that if this recent salary threshold, let me say for care workers, is £25,000. Of course, care workers from overseas can no longer apply for a UK visa on the 22nd of July this month, which means that if you're a care worker and you're working in a care organization and you have received your COS, guys, hurry and apply for your visa. Now, the salary threshold, let's say if it's £25,000 for you to be eligible to apply for a skilled worker visa. Now, you have to make sure you apply for your visa before 12 a.m. on the 22nd of July. So which means if you submit your visa application at 11 p.m. on the 21st of July, it will still be considered on the present salary threshold. But if you now submit your visa application after, let's say 2 minutes even past 12 midnight of the 22nd of July, then it means that your visa may be refused, because from that 22nd of July, for you to be eligible for a UK visa or UK skilled worker visa, you have to earn the new salary threshold, which was recently increased, which is going to be 41,700 from the 22nd of July. So if you have received your COS and you're still wondering, oh, can I still apply? Can I still use this present salary threshold to apply for my visa? Guys, provided you have received that COS now, or let's say tomorrow, or provided it's even before the 22nd of July, as you're receiving it, make sure you're applying for your visa, because once it crosses to 22nd of July, all the new rules comes into effect. So Which means even if you have received a genuine COS from a key organization and you have kept it under your pillow, you're waiting for your tuberculosis test, you're waiting for this, you're waiting for your IELTS, or you're waiting for your ETIS, if you finally go to apply for your visa, you will not get that visa because the new requirement, the new salary threshold, the new rule has already taken effect. So now, for those who are still waiting for their tuberculosis, find out a center where you can get a next day certificate and make sure you go for it. For those who are waiting for their police clearance, find out a place where you know that you can get a fast track police clearance certificate. Now, for those who are waiting for their IELTS, that we know that IELTS could take up to 5 days. I think if you did the computer base, it could take up to 5 days for you to get your result. You can also try PTE. PTE, once you write PTE, we get your result in the next 24 hours. So if that is one of the things that is holding you, that has made you not to apply for your UK visa, hurry now, look for a center where you can register for your PTE exam. PTE exam is still the same with IELTS. And now, for those who are applying for ETIS, because someone applied for ETIS and she's still waiting for the feedback, just to let you know that you can do a fast track when it comes to ETIS. ETIS is translating your first degree to a UK qualification or a UK standard to be eligible to apply for a UK visa. So I would suggest you go for the fast track so that you can be able to submit your visa application before 12 midnight on the 21st of July. Before 12 midnight. So this is just to let you know that even if you have a current COS that is still with a present salary requirement, it is still valid. You can still use it. You don't have to stress yourself about it, but just make sure that it's a valid COS and is a genuine one. So you don't go and apply for a UK visa and get banned, because I just saw someone who was banned recently. As you can see on my screen, this is the updated salary threshold for skilled worker visa. The general threshold for sponsorship under option A is rising from £38,700 to £41,700. So paragraph SW4 will require the applicant's salary equals or exceeds both £41,700 per year, the going rate for the SOC 2020 occupation code. Option B, the applicant has a PhD in a subject relevant to the job and their salary equals or exceeds both £37,500 per year, 90% of the going rate for the SOC 2020 occupation code. For option C, the applicant has a PhD in STEM subject relevant to the job and their salary equals or exceeds both, so £400 per year and 80% of the going rate for the SOC 2020 occupation code. The £41,700 is not for everybody. So for those who are already PhD holders, they don't really have to earn that amount. But I've seen a lot of PhD holders that earn more than that, so which is not a problem. The applicant is being sponsored for a job on the immigration salary list and their salary equals or exceeds both £33,400 per year, the going rate for SOC 2020 occupation code. Then the option E, as you can see, the applicant is a new entrant at the start of their career and their salary equals or exceeds both £33,400 per year or 70% of the going rate for the SOC 2020 occupation code. Then option F, as you can see, the applicant's salary equals or exceeds both £31,300 per year and the going rate of SOC 2020 occupation code. Then option G, the applicant has a PhD in a subject relevant to the job and their salary equals or exceeds both £28,200 per year and 90% of the going rate for SOC 2020 occupation. So which means that not everyone really has to earn the £41,000. They are up to option G, as you can see on my screen. So in as much as we are all panicked, let's know that there are people that will still also get this job without earning this amount. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you have received your COS, then you don't have to wait, irrespective of what the salary is on the COS you have received. Provided is a current threshold, you can apply for your visa till the 21st of July 2025 before 12 a.m. So make sure that before 12 a.m. you're submitting your visa application. 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes past 12, guys, you stand the chances of being refused a UK visa. So we still got some few days left. Make sure you make use of it and help yourself and submit your visa application. So I hope this answers most of your questions. But before we come to the end of this video, let's look at what is going to happen next after all of this, so you can also start preparing from now. In this 2025, we are still expecting these changes to take effect. So just in case you're still looking at the UK or you're still planning to renew your visa in the UK, these are the changes you should be expecting in this year, which we've got how many months left. As you can see on my screen, further immigration reforms expected in 2025. Raising the immigration skills charge. The immigration skills charge, which is the immigration skills charge the employers pays when assigning a COS. Now, uplifting language requirement across the immigration system. So just in case you're still planning to renew your visa, you're a dependent in the UK, and when you came to the UK, you didn't have to write any English test. Start getting yourself ready now, because the UK government is definitely going to do this, as they will do to others on the 22nd of July this month. So unveiling a new family policy framework to Parliament. So these are the things you should be expecting as we progress in this 2025. And for me, I wish and I hope that they don't bring in more new rules. So just be prepared, and like I said, don't place your COS under your pillow and sleep on top of it and say you're waiting for this, you're waiting for that. If there is any document you have been waiting for that you think you can fast track, get them sorted and go for your visa application. And I wish you good luck in your visa application. I wish you good luck in your visa interview, just in case you're called for an interview. And also, I wish you good luck. Also, if you finally get the UK visa, I wish you jolly messages to the UK. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. And like I said, don't just keep your COS, just go and apply for your visa. Make sure that you have to apply for your visa with the current salary till the 21st of July 2025. Before 11:59 p.m, make sure you submit your visa application. So like and also do share this video with your friends and loved ones. I'm sure they will find it helpful. I see you in my next one. Do take care and have a lovely day. And also do subscribe and join our beautiful family for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.